mga B! Welcome back to my channel! So for today's video, it's a new day, new beginning, at syempre mga bago na namang gagawin. So kalimutan na natin ng yesterday, yung mga bad memories, bad focus na lang tayo sa new beginning dahil today is a new day! And syempre for today's video, we will doing a Can't Say No Challenge! Tama natin si Kenzie. Si Kenzie ang aking pamangkin. At kung bago pa lang kayo dito nanonood sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutang mag-subscribe. Si Kenzie super excited kasi gagawin namin everything she wants. So, Kenzie,
What?
how do you feel?
I feel excited.
So, what do you want to buy later?
Buy food, buy toy, and then buy clothes.
Oh, wow! That's a lot! Buy clothes, buy food, and buy toy. So, ito lang talaga yung gusto ni Kenzie. At saka yung bonding namin always is shopping. Because I love shopping also. And Kenzie loves shopping. Do you love shopping, diba? Since na maliit pa siya, ako nag-aalaga sa kanya dati. And then, syempre, lagi ko siyang pinag-shopping, binibilan ng mga toys. At kung may gusto naman siya mga online, tumatawag lang siya sa akin, Tita, I want this. Can you order this one? Tita, can you send me money? Oh, spoiled brat. Are you spoiled brat? Hindi daw siya spoiled brat. So, super excited na rin ako so for today's. Pero, malulungkot lang yung ano natin, yung wallet. My wallet will be sad. My wallet will be sad today. Why? Because maybe later it's gone. All my money will gone. Because I'm so scared. What will you buy later? I'm so scared of how much is that. Kenzie. How to do? Oh no! My wallet will cry and Tita will cry. So, ayun na mga biso. See you later! Bye! So, ngayon mga bi, inaantay lang namin yung Grab. Kasi nag-Grab lang ako. Punta kami ng SM Aura. Doon kami mamimili ni Kenzie. Kasi nga, sira yung car ko. Ayaw niya mag-open kasi drain yung battery. So, kailangan mo pa siyang i-jump start para makapunta sa shop na paggawaan. So, may friend naman ako na mag-aayos ng car na yun. At, kailangan lang naman siya, i-charge. And then, ayun na, okay na siya. Tapos, i-reset lang daw. Something, ganun. So, okay lang naman Grab. Kasi ayoko rin mag-drive minsan. So, hard to drive and park, diba? Diba,
Ba't malungkot ang beshi ko?
Why? Do you know how the feeling of being a driver? We will going to wait the Grab. Yes! Kenzie's really excited. Look, in her face. So excited. And so pretty. I love your clothes today.
Yes.
And there's a butterfly over there.
Yeah, butterfly.
So, gusto nyo rin ba ako maging tita? Ito na pala yung outfit ko today. Ayan. So, simple lang tayo ngayon. Where's my bag, Kenzie? And let's go na. And where's your bag also? Where's your bag? So, dito na yung Grab namin, guys. Ay, lapit lang naman. Kaya, nag-Grab kami. Tsaka sila yung car. So, punta na kami ng SM Aura ni Mackenzie. Are you excited, Kenzie? Okay na po. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Wow, Kenzie's so excited. So, mga biga, karating lang namin dito sa may SM Aura. Kenzie is so excited, diba? So, hindi na rin ako nag-makeup masyado. Nag-lipstick lang ako. So, Kenzie, where do you wanna go?
Buy toys.
Buy toys! Oh, gusto nyo daw munang bumili ng toys. So, nasaan ba dito yung, Toy Kingdom or, bilihan ng toys? So, tanong tayo. Excuse me, saan po dito yung Toy Kingdom? Yung bilihan ng mga toys?
Level 3, ma'am. Dalawang akyat.
Dalawang ako. Thank you po. So, mag-escalator kami. Ayan. Gusto niyo daw munang bumili ng toys. OMG, mahal pa naman doon. Dapat sa Baclaran na lang tayo bumili candy ng toys. Kenzie, you can buy toys in Baclaran. It's cheap there. It's very cheap. Show me the excited face. Very excited, my Kenzie.
to go to the toy kingdom.
Okay. So, may nakita na naman ako na ganito, guys. Grabe. Parang ako ate makakapag-shopping dito ngayon kaysa kay Kenzie. Ang ganda, my gosh. Tingnan nyo, pwede ito sa gaming room ko. O, diba? Magkano to? 1,022. Ah, 679 lang siya. Oh my gosh. Siguro bibili ako na ito mga 10,000. Diba? Ang ganda. Kenzie! Ganda, guys. Ito, ang ganda. Ganda niya. So, ayun nga mga B. Hindi ko na makita ko nasaan na si Mackenzie kasi nakita ko ito muna. Nawawala ka lagi. Where did you go? What's that?
The relic sand.
Wow! Ang mahal!
Okay, it's a relic sand.
And then, you need push cart.
Oh, yeah.
Push cart.
What is it? I want this one, Tito.
What's that?
It's a kinetic sand. Kinetic sand.
Ah, kinetic sand. Okay.
Like it.
We need push cart so you can put all your toys.
Yeah. There's a
Man, soft siya ang quality niya.
That one. Because if you don't carry, you will lose.
I like soft this.
Which one?
I found,
What's this?
I don't know. This is
But this one is, you want this?
the baby.
Okay. What's that?
I don't know.
What's this?
I don't know.
What else? Oh, what's that?
I don't know. Baby, I just dropped it.
Okay, you just get one. Get this one. Get that one. Put it back. You want this?
This is
You know that? Bag?
I don't know, baby.
It's a mini handbag.
Handbag.
Oh, the unicorn is fall down.
Corgis. Why you fall off? I got you. Oh, what's wrong?
School supplies.
Schools.
What else do you want?
Mom, what is
Wow! This is a kinetic sand. It's so big.
Yeah. Oh, wait, there's treasure here. Like this treasure.
What's that? It's a treasure.
Yeah, there's like you'll find treasure.
Oh.
Wait. What is this? What's this?
That's a sand, I think.
What is this? It's your
Oh,
egg.
this is the doll.
I will get these two.
This one also. You can get this.
Yeah.
You can get all the color.
The whole color
Yeah.
of the world.
Wow!
Hey, yo.
Kenzie, ito oh! Kenzie, look at this!
Oh!
You can get all. Wow! Oh, you can put there. There. Yes.
We keep falling every.
What's that, baby? Hello. How much is that? You want this? 519. Grabe naman, isang araw na ng trabahante. What's this? Wow, it's so cute.
How is it so hard? How is it so hard?
Woo!
Oh! OMG. This is hard for me. Lol. Lol, this is hard.
Ah, I can see this one. Look, if you are stressed or if you are angry, you can press like this. If you are angry. If you are stressed or angry, this is stress thing.
Yan ba or ito?
Stress. releasing. Ang ganda, diba? Basta. How much? We're laughing. You want to get that? You want purple? Yeah, you can get that. If you want. Can I see?
We can make us a bracelet.
Bracelet?
Yeah. Or it glows in the dark.
Okay, you can get.
Yeah.
You can get and give to your friends too.
Oh yeah.
You have friends, right? How many of your friends?
I will give my friends this one because he loves this.
Yeah. How many is your friends?
Only
How many
two.
are your friends?
Two.
Okay, you can get two. What about this one? Kenzie, look oh.
It's too expensive.
Huh? What do you say?
It's too expensive.
Oh, she doesn't like too expensive. It's okay, Kenzie. Pero walang battery ata to eh. Meron na po.
Parang hinihila lang siya.
One thing.
What is?
Wow.
They're like
Daming toys, Kenzie. Can you donate some of your toys, the old one, to the kids?
Okay.
You will
Because they
donate?
are so old.
They're so old. It's okay. You can donate because some kids want that toys. Is it okay? You can donate. Can you donate?
Yes.
Wow, Kenzie, you are so good. Because if you donate some of your toys, you can get more, you know?
Can I get sand again? Bro.
Okay. You wanna play with your friends?
Whoa, I can make these, but what do you want? I'm not interested. Oh my god, there's foxes. Foxy. Look,
What's that?
I don't know. It's like a bunny. Bunny, me.
It's heavy.
But a little heavy. It's not heavy.
Ano ito?
Kiglo. Oh, the book.
You want that?
The 600.
600. It's okay. It's just 600. You can get if you want.
Yay!
You can get it if you want.
First, after I get back, I have to use this.
Of course you must use.
Wait. This is good. So I have to place it over.
It's okay.
Oh!
Ay, hindi.
And then.
Back na lang. Address na lang sa kanila.
No, that. I'm already done.
What?
Done. Or I can shoot these for my friends because I will shoot my friends. Like,
You will shoot your friends?
yeah.
Okay, let's go. Are you
Yeah.
done? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, Kenzie's done.
Yeah. That's a lot.
Oh, that's a lot. Okay, let's go na. Who will carry that? Of course, not me. Wow naman, ang dami, Kenzie. What's that? Okay.
I want gummies.
My God, Kenzie. 5 days, 16 na agad. 5-9. Where are we going next?
We are going to the bookstore.
Books, what? Bookstore?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I need some school supplies.
Oh my God! Need ni Kenzie school supplies. Okay, let's go to National Bookstore! Ang bigat-bigat, ako talaga nagbitbit nito. Ang bigat. Oh, tapos na kami bumili ng mga toys, mga B. Pumunta naman daw kami sa may National Bookstores kasi bibili daw siya ng school supplies. Kailangan niya daw ng school supplies. At dahil Can Say No Challenge tayo ngayon, bibili naman natin. Medyo mabigat nga lang siya. Pero, carry naman. Sana parang dala tayo ng ano, Kenzie? Ayan na. So, nilagay ko na lang siya dito. Bigat ha. Are you happy?
Yes.
Why are you happy?
Because I love you.
Huh?
I love you.
You have a lot of toys. Will you share this to your friends?
Yeah.
Parang sa baba yung National Bookstore. I think it's downstairs. Go to downstairs. Bigat guys ha. Bigat na talaga ako.
This is yours.
Yeah. Oh, I think it's there. Kenzie, put your toys inside first. Put inside.
Tita, I want this.
What's
A
that?
coloring.
Okay, coloring. Get. Super happy siya, guys. Ayan. Super happy si Kenzie.
Okay, no. Tita, I want this.
You want that? Okay, get. That's tablet.
No, maybe I like a purple one.
You like a purple one?
Like a light purple. Light.
Okay.
Maybe it's like color pink or something. Beep, 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 beep. Tita, I want these.
Okay, get it.
Tita, I want this. Okay. Yay! With cards. I want this. Tita, can I have this?
Yeah, sure. Get.
I want this, Tita.
Okay. Scissor.
This, and then I want this, and then I want this,
Oh, that's a lot.
I want this. And so, Tita, can I have this?
Sure. Pen.
Pens, oh, maybe I want that. Tita, I want these.
Oh my god. Okay, get.
So, what is? A little more. These. Oh, I don't need. Let's get more. This is the most I want. No. No. Good, 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 good. Oh. We get some sticky notes. Tita, can I get some sticky notes?
Okay.
Yeah. Cards.
Kenzie is done. Are you done?
Wait, are you where's my mind?
Why? What else? You forgot? What did you forget? Huh? dami niyang kinukuha. Okay, here.
And now the last thing I'm done. What are these? I guess I'm good. I'm good now.
You're good now? Are you sure?
Yes, I just gonna use
Okay, let's go.
lol.
Let's go. Okay, see you by a lot. Tingnan mo. Means, are you happy? You sure? Dito ba? Pinapili ni Pang. Wow, ang daming pinabili ni Kenzie. Very rich girl. Si tita pa nagbubuhat. Grabe talaga to. Ang bigat-bigat po. So, ngayon dito kami sa supermarket kasi may bibilhin daw si Mackenzie. Ano yung bibilhin mo, Kenzie?
Food.
Food. So, bibili daw siya ng food for her baon sa school kasi nagsa-summer class siya. Nag-enroll kasi siya ng...
Kasama ka sa
Nag-enroll kasi siya ng Tagalog, nag-aaral ng Tagalog, ganun. Hindi pa kasi siya ganun ka-fluent mag-Tagalog. So, ayan. We're going to buy food. Where's the food?
Okay.
Which one?
The big one.
The big one? This one?
Yeah, I like it. I'm not allergic. I'm just like really soft. I always love these because my dad and mommy and my daddy don't like me to buy this, and now I can buy this. Yippee! I got these two.
Okay.
I like these. Coca-Cola then.
What did you say?
I need this for my daddy because...
For your dad?
Yeah. Just try this. Try this. What does my dad say? Okay, let me get them, please. Yeah. I'm done for this. Okay, this is for us.
Okay. So kakauwi lang namin ng bahay at ito nga pala lahat ng mga pinabili ni Kenzie. So naka 10,000 mahigit din kami kasi ang dami niyang pinamili. Show them what you got. So ang dami niya pinamili ng mga juices. Kung nakita nyo kanina, ayan. So, MG. And then yung mga ano, ilabas mo lahat, Lili. Pakita mo sa kanila. Wow, that's so nice. Meron pa siya dito. Pringles. So, ang dami ni Mackenzie pinamili. Wow! Kita niyo yan. Napakadami. Kasi ito naman yung mga drinks niya. Pambaon niya sa school sa kanyang summer class. And then, this one for... Wow! Wow! You have scissor. You have a lot of pen. Wow, Kenzie. This is pen. And open this. Show them.
Open already.
You put all here. Show them one by one. Wow, that's a towel. Wow, ang dami. Kaya pala ang mahal ha. Ang laki ng bill mo ha. Dami mong stabilo. Dati, isa-isa lang ako nito nung nung college ako or nung nag-i-school pa ako. Isa-isa lang kasi ang mahal. Si Kenzie, ang dami niya nakuha. Almost lahat meron siya. Kung anong gusto niya, mabibili niya. Si Tente naman, nakatingin lang kasi walang sa kanya.
But I don't food.
Wow, Kenzie, you have also this one like an office girl. Ang daming pinabili ni Kenzie. Tapos ito meron niya siya ditong kinetic stand. Ayan. Ito pa pala, pinabili ni Mackenzie. Kay Kenzie rin pala ito. So, wow! Binilhan niya rin pala si Tente ng ng treats. Oh, yung treat naman.
Wait lang. Ako na.
Oh, gusto niya kasi binibigyan si Tente ng treats. Wow!
Si Jan.
Gagawin niya lahat-lahat. Wow! Oops, don't eat that, Kenzie.
No, I'm smelling it.
Oops, I think you wanna eat that.
Oh my god, it smells so weird. Oh, oh!
Ooh.
Hindi makain yung stuff ko. I had to cut them to pieces.
Kenzie.
See?
Ang daming pinabili ni Kenzie, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan na lahat yung kanya Can't Say No Challenge. And syempre, meron pa rin siya dito. Chess. Ayan. At saka Rubik's Cube.
Can I solve that Rubik's Cube?
Oh my God. Ang dami ni Kenzie. Can't Say No Challenge, OMG. So, ayan mga B, kita nyo naman na super nag-enjoy si Mackenzie sa mga pinamili niya. Grabe, ang dami. Ayan. At kung meron pa kayong mga suggestion or gustong ipagawa kay Mackenzie or sa mga next video naman kung anong gusto nyong mapanood, pwede kayong mag-comment or suggestion below sa comment section. And syempre, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and ring the bell button para updated kayo sa aming mga videos. So, hanggang dito na lang ang aming Can't Say No Challenge kasi uuwi na si Kenzie sa bahay nila kasi meron pa siyang swimming together with her friends. At syempre, uuwi niya na itong lahat. Masusurprise din yung mami niya nito kasi hindi niya alam na ngayon kami nag-Can't Say No Challenge kami ngayon. Ayan. Ang dami ni Kenzie yung pinamili. So, what can you say about for today?
I like all of this and I will give this to my friends.
Wow, which one will you give to your friends?
I will give this one and then I will give this one too.
Wow, you know how to share. Sharing is
caring.
Good job.
I will share this to my
Wow,
friends.
you will share this. I'm sure your friends will be happy.